Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to all our dedicated subscribers here at Woven Deal. Today, we are diving deep into a comprehensive masterclass on SEO, focusing on technical infrastructure, keyword discovery, and organic content strategies. Understanding these foundational pillars will completely transform the way search engine algorithms perceive and index your digital properties. By following these practical and safe practices, you will build sustainable online visibility while maintaining full compliance with platform guidelines. We designed this session to give you absolute clarity on how modern search systems analyze, categorize, and rank web pages across the globe. Make sure you follow along step by step to ensure you get the absolute maximum value from this detailed tutorial. To begin this journey, we must first examine how search engine crawlers explore the vast expanse of the internet. Automated software programs known as bots navigate through hyperlinked networks to discover newly published or recently updated documents. When a crawler arrives at your domain, it relies heavily on your site structure to determine which pages carry the most essential information. If your internal linking architecture is confusing or cluttered, automated bots may struggle to parse your content efficiently. Creating a clear, logical hierarchy allows search engines to map your website seamlessly, laying the groundwork for higher ranking potential. A vital component of this technical foundation is your XML sitemap, which acts as a direct blueprint for search crawlers. This file lists every important page on your domain, along with metadata regarding when each piece was last updated. Submitting an accurate sitemap ensures that search engines do not miss valuable content tucked deep within your navigation structure. Maintaining a clean robots file allows you to guide automated crawlers away from duplicate administrative pages or sensitive system directories. Proper technical configuration prevents wasted crawl budget and ensures maximum attention is focused on your primary value-driven content. Website loading speed is another technical factor that significantly impacts both search performance and overall audience engagement. Modern search algorithms favor web pages that render rapidly on mobile devices and desktop computers alike. When images are uncompressed or scripts are poorly optimized, users experience delay, leading them to bounce back to the search results page instantly. By optimizing media files, leveraging browser caching, and implementing streamlined code structures, you minimize loading times drastically. This fast technical performance signals to algorithms that your site provides a reliable, user-friendly environment worthy of top placement. Mobile optimization is no longer optional in modern search engine framework design. Search algorithms prioritize the mobile version of your content when indexing and calculating ranks across global databases. Responsive layouts automatically adapt your structural layout to fit small smartphone displays without sacrificing functionality or readability. Ensuring that text remains legible without zooming and that touch targets are easily clickable creates a smooth mobile experience. A site that performs flawlessly on mobile devices naturally earns higher metrics for user retention, which strongly signals overall platform quality. Securing your web domain with encrypted data protocols is another fundamental technical necessity. Search engines actively prioritize sites that operate over secure connection protocols to protect user data privacy. Seeing a valid security certificate builds immediate trust with visitors and establishes your online authority. Beyond basic security, implementing structured data markup helps algorithms interpret the exact meaning of your content. By providing standardized context about your articles, you enable search engines to display rich snippets directly within the search results. With technical infrastructure firmly established, we can transition into the detailed process of strategic keyword research. Keyword research involves discovering the specific words, phrases, and questions your target audience types into search bars. Rather than guessing what your market desires, systematic research provides empirical data regarding actual search demand. Understanding this search behavior enables you to create tailored resources that directly address real market needs. Identifying relevant terms early in your strategy ensures every published piece serves a distinct structural purpose. When conducting research, it is essential to distinguish between broad seed terms and highly specific long-tail keyword variations. Broad terms carry massive overall search volume, but they are also exceptionally competitive and often lack clear visitor direction. On the other hand, long-tail phrases consist of multiple words that pinpoint precise user intentions. While fewer total individuals search for long-tail queries, those who do are far more likely to engage deeply with your material. Focusing on descriptive long-tail phrases allows growing websites to build momentum and capture highly qualified audience traffic. Analyzing search intent is perhaps the most critical analytical skill in modern search engine optimization. Intent reflects the underlying goal a user has when executing a query categorized into informational, navigational, commercial, or transactional queries. For instance, someone searching for instructions wants a detailed step-by-step tutorial rather than an immediate product checkout page. If your page fails to satisfy the user intent behind a phrase, algorithms will quickly notice high bounce rates and adjust your position downward. Always analyze the existing top search results to identify what style of content search engines currently favor for that term. Organizing your target keywords into logical topic clusters helps build topical authority across your entire site. Instead of creating isolated pages for every single keyword variation, group related terms around a central pillar topic. You can offer a comprehensive pillar guide that covers the subject broadly, then link out to supporting articles focused on detailed subtopics. Interlinking these related pages signals to algorithms that your website possesses deep, structured expertise across the entire subject matter. This interconnected content strategy significantly enhances the organic ranking capabilities of both the pillar page and its supporting nodes. Building brand signals beyond basic site search helps insulate your domain against algorithm changes. Search engines recognize brands that maintain active community profiles, receive direct branded searches, and foster genuine audience loyalty. Encouraging social shares, participating in relevant forums, and delivering consistent value strengthens your platform reputation. Strong brand presence signals to search bots that your domain is a legitimate market leader deserving of prominent placement. Organic search visibility works best when integrated into a broad, multi-channel marketing vision. Patience is a necessary mindset when executing organic growth strategies across any online platform. Technical adjustments, structural reorganizations, and newly published content require time for search algorithms to crawl, index, and fully evaluate. It is completely normal to wait weeks or even months before seeing significant upward movements in competitive search rankings. Avoid making frequent, erratic changes to recently published content, as this resets algorithm evaluation cycles. Focus on steady execution, continuous measurement, and gradual refinement to achieve lasting success. To consolidate your optimization process, establish a routine checking system for your technical and structural setups. Verify that your XML sitemap remains updated, monitor your crawl status through Search Console tools, and periodically audit your core pages for speed. Continually refine your keyword lists based on emerging audience interests and evolving search patterns. Combining technical maintenance with consistent content production creates a self-reinforcing engine for sustainable organic expansion. SEO is an ongoing journey of refinement rather than a single fixed destination. Mastering search engine optimization allows you to connect directly with individuals actively seeking the solutions you provide. By building robust technical infrastructure, mastering targeted keyword research, and producing outstanding organic content, you establish an enduring platform presence. Apply these principles steadily, stay patient with the process, and continuously tailor your creation strategy to your audience's needs. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave a comment.